Hello everyone, welcome back to EFIN. Today I'm going to show you how to deposit and how to withdraw from your wallet. Now, this screen right here lets you deposit and withdraw for every single currency currently available on EFIN. Let's take Litecoin for example. I want to deposit some Litecoin into my wallet. I simply click deposit. Now I have two options. I can either scan this QR code from the app or wallet that I want to send currency from, or send it to one of my friends, or I can click right here to copy my wallet address. Now I can give this address to someone who wants to send me funds, or I can use it myself if I want to transfer from another wallet. This is deposit. Now let's say I want to withdraw some Litecoin. I click withdraw. And here I have the option to paste the address of someone I want to send to, or again, one of my other wallets. I have the address of one of my friends here. I just paste it here. And now I have three options to send currency. I can either send all of my available balance by clicking here. And it inputs everything I have in my wallet, bars the fees right here. So at the end, I would be left with exactly 0 Litecoin. Or if this is too much, I have two other options. I can either input the amount of dollars I want to send in Litecoin. Let's say $15, which is 0.26 Litecoin at the moment. Or I can put the amount of Litecoin directly. Let's say 1 Litecoin, which is $56. The transaction fee and the withdrawal fee are calculated automatically, and I just have to click continue. And that's it. My transaction has been queued. When all of the confirmations are done, my friend will receive the funds, and I'll get a notification saying just that. And that's it. Thank you for watching.